Mouse Clubhouse. Farmer Mickey.
Howdy, pals,
says Mickey.
Welcome to the Clubhouse farm.
Suddenly, a strong wind starts to blow.
Hang on to your hats,
Mickey calls. The gang takes the clickety-clack tractor to find out what's causing the wind. It's Farmer Pete's windmill.
I used the windmill to keep the bugs off my petunias,
says Pete.
But I don't know how to stop it.
Goofy pulls the red lever on the windmill to make it stop. But back at the Clubhouse farm, all the animals have blown away.
We'd better go find them,
says Mickey. First, Daisy finds the pony on top of the silo.
Oh, Toodles,
calls Mickey. Toodles brings the handy fishing rod, the Blimpy Blazer, a blanket, and a mystery musketool. The pony floats down in the Blimpy Blazer. Next, Goofy hears the piggies. They're up high in the chicken coop. Donald and Goofy hold the blanket while the piggies safely ride down the twisty slide. Uh-oh, Mrs. Cow is swinging in the tire swing. Donald used the handy fishing rod to stop the swing, and Mrs. Cow jumps out. On the way back to the barn, storm clouds fill the sky.
Maybe the mystery musketool can help us get back safely,
says Mickey. That's funny. The mystery musketool is Pete's windmill. Mickey tilts the windmill toward the sky, and Donald pulls the green lever. The storm clouds blow away. Mickey and his friends celebrate at the Clubhouse farm.
The windmill caused one problem and then solved another,
says Mickey.
Hot dog!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And check out my Patreon page. And for more Disney, Mickey, Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney, Mickey, Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your support. See you next time.